So today I want to clear up a little bit of confusion about the term change management. It's a term we hear a lot in organizations, increasingly so with the amount of change that has to happen. And yet for many people, when I canvass what it actually is, that's when the doubt starts to creep in. And the reality is, if I ask 5 people, I'll probably get 5 different answers. And one of the biggest traps is to fall into emphasizing the processes involved, whether it's ProSci, Kotter, whatever. And what that misses is the overall outcome, because frankly, that's not what really matters, is it? What leaders are looking for, what people running organizations are looking for, what senior managers are looking for is getting their thing done. That's all they care about. And fundamentally, we know that the more engaged people are, the more ready people are, the less fearful people are, far more likely it is that they'll get on board and they will make the change a success. And that's true whether it's new technology, new processes. People will get behind the idea when they understand why it's important, why it matters to them. So it's these people factors, these people aspects is really what change management is about. It's about getting people ready, inspired, helping them through their fears, helping them through the emotional aspects of change. And then the other confusion, of course, is, but what exactly do I need to do? The first thing is, how do you know where people are at the moment? What are they actually feeling about your project or program? So for that, we've developed a tool called Change Journey Navigator. And that tool is specifically designed for leaders by change professionals to help you know what to do next. Specifically, without any shadow of doubt, what to do next. And the reality is, it can be different. It will be different depending on the organization, the culture, the specific people involved, the nature of the change. So all of these things matter. So if you're not measuring it, you're literally running blind. You have no clue where to focus. You can guess, but it's a really good chance you're going to guess wrongly. You see, you don't need to be an expert in change management to get great results. You just need to apply a few great principles. And the critical part, of course, is knowing what to do next. Now, the typical response, of course, is to rely on consultancies to do it for you, whether big ones, small ones, or whatever. And that can work. That can be a great solution. But quite often, and we're seeing this a lot at the moment, organizations want to bring those skills in-house. And of course, why not? Because the amount of change that most organizations are seeing and are going to see going forwards is increasing. So that's a great answer. So this way, you get to bring that knowledge in-house. You get to upskill your internal teams in great practical ways to get people on board, to get them inspired, to get them engaged, to help them through their fears, and to fundamentally deliver a fantastic project or program or transformation outcome that you can be proud of. If you'd like to know more, then get in touch by clicking the button below or somewhere around this video. Don't leave it to chance.